before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. Come on, Hollywood. And the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day. And all the pain I put you through, I wish that I could take it all away and be the one who catches all your tears. That's why I need you to hear. Come on! I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. All my friends, and the reason is woo! And the reason is over here. The reason and the reason is you. I'm not a perfect person. I never meant to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I do